Hi guys, I'm working on another container arrangement today, and this one is going to be kind of Americana style because I've got my blue pot. This is a Madison pot in 14-inch diameter, Super Tunia Black Cherry for my red, and then Diamond Mountain Euphorbia for my white. Now this is exciting because the Diamond Mountain is a new variety coming out next year that I'm able to trial this year, see how it grows, and show you guys. If you're familiar with Diamond Frost Euphorbia, which I've actually put in a couple other containers this spring, Diamond Mountain actually grows to be about twice the size as Diamond Frost does. So I'm just really excited to see how vigorous it is, and if it stays as airy as Diamond Frost, it'll just be really interesting. But I do think that it's going to pair really well with everything that I chose. The grass for the centerpiece for my thriller is the Prince Tut cypress grass, and these grow about 30 inches, even up to 4 feet. I don't think it's going to grow that tall in this size of pot. If I were to give it more space, it probably would. And then we come, step down to our filler, which is the Euphorbia, which grows a couple feet, and then our this one kind of serves as a filler and a spiller. So this one will mound up a little bit and then spill over the sides. So I've already filled my pot with soil and fertilizer. So I'm just going to grab my grass and we're going to put that in the middle. Now see, look at the root system on this grass. It's pretty tight in there. Typically I don't rough up the root system on my annuals. It's not necessary. But for something that looks like that, I'll give it a little bit of a tease just so that it can punch out and grow a little bit quicker. I love these grasses. So there's Baby Tut, Prince Tut, and King Tut. We grew King Tut in the ground last year. It was gorgeous, got huge. So this is kind of the step down in size to that one. Now I'll put my Black Cherry Super Tunias in. I'm just gonna do one on each side. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty with the blue pot? I love it. All right, now for one of the Diamond Mountains. And I filled my pot pretty full with soil to begin with, so I didn't have to add extra soil. I just kind of dig a hole in the soil I already put in there and then pop the root ball in and then just kind of pack in soil around the root ball just so it's nice and tight in there and there's no air pockets. All right, my last one back here. So that's pretty much it. It's a really simple arrangement, but I think it's really effective. And I just really wanted to see how all of these will grow habit-wise. And that's the main reason why I put this one together, was basically to see the Diamond Mountain and see how it grows. So all of these plants like full apart sun, so I'll be making sure to put it in a full sun location and consistent fertilizer. So I put up all of my containers on a once a week fertilizing schedule, and they all seem to do really well. This won't need any maintenance. The Super Tunias and the Euphorbia do not need to be deadheaded, which is fantastic. So basically, other than watering it, keeping it fertilized, and maybe coming in midsummer to give it a light haircut, that's all I need to do for this container. So anyway, we will be updating you as it grows this season. I'm excited to show you guys. I'm excited to see for myself. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.